Well, I just had to do a video so that you could hear all the bird sounds. Let me go out here. Maybe you can hear them a little better. They're all over. It sounds like we're in a jungle. There's that mockingbird. She likes to hang around. I think she's got babies. And there's the squirrel.
And what do you have to be thankful for?
Oh,
Something new?
I want to tell you, I got my hearing aids in. And I can hear all these birds. That's why I wanted you to hear them with me. Yeah, I got my hearing aids. Praise Yahushua. Hallelujah. I'm so happy and so blessed. Thank you for sharing that joy with me. And Lou for reminding me. He's fixing the pinwheels over there. Pinwheels gotta spin. There they go. That one's spinning a little bit. Well, that's a woodpecker, the red-headed woodpecker that they call the red-bellied pecker.
Red-bellied pecker.
Red-bellied pecker, woodpecker. Y'all have a blessed day. Here, there's my birds saying, have a nice day. Bye-bye.